So you're in Reaper, you're making a song, and things are going great. And all of a sudden, this section right here, your mixer, becomes disconnected from the lower end of the screen, just like this. And now it's a separate window, and you don't want that. Or maybe you do like this, but you want to learn how to control it. How do you toggle that on and off? Well, this is what you do. Basically, you're going to want to navigate down to where this says master, right where my cursor is, right down here. You're going to right click on that, and at the very bottom of this option screen, it says dock mixer in Docker. You're going to click that, and it's going to bring your mixer right back into the Docker. So you can go down here to where it says mixer, and you can drag that, and it'll separate, and then right click on master, dock mixer in Docker, or you can right click on the little gray mixer tab down here where my cursor is in the bottom left end of the screen with a little X next to it, and you can click on dock mixer in Docker, and it'll make it a separate window. This was very confusing for me when I first started because I had no idea what any of this stuff was called. So hopefully that helped, and if you would like to be updated when I post new videos, please subscribe because I like to help people out who are starting with this DAW. It's the best DAW ever, but you got to stick with it. There's a little bit of a learning curve. But once you know how it works, it is better than any DAW out there. Bar none, hands down. See you next time.